Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a palindrome checker in Java. So a palindrome checker is basically like if you don't know what a palindrome is, it's like a word or number that like is repeated is the same forwards and backwards. Let me show you example. So for example, like kayak, like it's a type of boat. So Kayak is the spelling, right? If you spell it backwards, it's still kayak. So that is basically what palindrome means. And that's what we're gonna get into today. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So first we will move this here, and here we'll type import java.util.asterisk, and then a semicolon at the end. Then here we have public class and all that, and we'll move this here as usual, and we'll begin the code. So scanner sc equals new scanner, and then we'll do system.in, and then we'll put this here, we'll put a semicolon here. Next we'll do system.out.println, and then here we'll type palindrome checker. Okay, we'll put this here, and then we'll go to the next part. Here we'll type system.out.print, and here we'll type enter text to check. We'll put this here. Okay, no, we'll put this. Then we'll do string input equals sc dot next line. Okay, we'll put that there. Now we'll skip this line here and go to the next one. So we'll do string clean, and then here we'll do equals input dot replace all, and here we'll just delete these. Here we'll type this here, then we'll put a box bracket here. Here comes the tricky part, and then we'll put this here. We will do the, let me just put this here. Okay, let me just find the symbol here real quick. Okay, we'll put that there, and then we'll do A to Z here, and then we'll do an uppercase again, A to Z, and we'll put this here, and we'll put a comma, and then we'll put two of these here, which are blank, and then we'll do dot to lower case. Okay, let me just recheck this code again. Okay. Here now we'll do if clean is clean dot is empty. We'll put this here, and then we'll put this, and then we'll do system dot out dot print ln. Then we'll do enter letters only, please. with this here. And then we'll do return. Put that there. And that's the end of this. Then here we'll do string reverse equals new string builder. And then here we will put this and type clean. And then we'll do dot reverse. Put this there. Then we'll do dot to string. We'll put that there and put this here. And here we'll do if clean dot equals. And then we'll do reverse. And then we'll go down. Then we'll do system dot out dot println. It is a palindrome. And then we'll put this here. And then here we'll type else. And then here we'll type the same thing. Instead, it is not a palindrome. Okay, and I think that's the end. So yeah, let's select all, or Control A and then right click, then do run as one Java application. And yes, here, enter text to check. So maybe kayak as I did at the start. And yes, it is a palindrome. Now let me try this again. Maybe some other, be Taco Cat, a famous one. So Taco Cat, yes, it is one. And race car is also a palindrome. And we could even type random words like this maybe. But it doesn't really make sense, but still it is a palindrome technically. And let's just run like enter text to check. And it's not a palindrome. And if you type 898, it says please enter letters only. Yeah, okay, it works. So yeah, I guess that's it today for today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson about Palindrome Checker. You can definitely use this if you like want to check if a word is palindromic or not. And if you like this tutorial, please like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And I hope to see you guys in our next lesson. Have a great day.